Hello, yeah, in this video, I want to show you how to perform the Shrinken centroids regularized discriminant analysis in R. So basically, I want to show you another way to do RDA. This approach is in the R package called RDA, and there's an RDA function in that package. But this RDA function is different from the RDA function in the KLA-R library, which we demonstrated in another previous video. You cannot have both packages loaded into your R session, otherwise R will get confused because there are two RDA functions. So once you loaded, say, KLA-R, if you want to load the library RDA, you have to unload the library KLA-R. And the Shrinken centroids RDA was originally developed for microarray data. Okay, just make a note of that. Okay, let's produce a data set by loading the mass and the matrix libraries. We create a data set with 50 observations, 100 variables, put some correlations among the variables, and then generate data from a multivariate normal distribution, assign a group variable, that's the label of the outcome, and then here's the data set we created. Okay, and I mentioned about you cannot have library KLA-R and library RDA in the R session at the same time, so you have to unload one of them. For example, you want to unload the KLA-R, and I want to just show you how to do it. You use the unload namespace command. So I'm just demonstrating how to use it. I unloaded the mass and the matrix library. Okay. So now I'm going to load in RDA library. And the syntax to use the RDA function is pretty simple. You get the data matrix for the predictors in my data frame. That's the first 100 columns. And you need to transpose that. And then the second argument is the Y, is the labels. That's the column 101 in my data frame. So fit equal to that RDA, and it's very quick. But then if I want do cross-validation, then I can use the RDA.CV function. And it's pretty quick. And then you can plot out the results. It asks me to hit return for the next plot. It looked like that, a heat map at tenfold CV error. There's the color code, 50. And then you hit return for the next. You got a heat map number of genes remained. So this is the evidence that's showing you this package was originally developed for microarray data. Okay. So yeah, this is just a very quick tutorial to show you there's another way to implement RDA. But this one is specifically developed for microarray data. So you may need to kind of dig into the technical details, including the manual of RDA and also the original paper to learn more details about this implementation and how it can be applied to your RDA analysis. Thank you.